Hello friends, in this video, I'm going to explain how to calculate the sum of first 10 natural numbers in C using for loop. Okay, so let's see. Here, I'm writing a program to calculate the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So let's see. Has include stdio.h. Has include stands for preprocessor directive, which includes standard input-output header file. Header file contains the predefined functions. That is, here it contains the printf function and scanf function. If I use this header file, I can use the printf and scanf functions inside the program. Okay, so now void main opening curly bracket int I comma sum is equal to 0 semicolon. Sum is a variable of integer type. I have assigned 0 to it. The initial value of sum is 0. So now printf the sum of first 10 numbers column double quotation end semicolon. Now for loop, within for loop I'm initializing the value of I is equal to 1 semicolon I less than equal to 10 then I plus plus. Okay, this is initialization, this is test expression, this is expression update. So now here I am writing sum is equal to sum plus I semicolon. For loop complete, then within printf statement I'm writing percentile d double quotation end sum main function close. For loop start, for loop close, main function start, main function close. Okay, this will be printed in the output stream. So here how the control goes. So we can see here I'm explaining I, then I less than equal to 10, then sum. Okay, so here you can see I equal to 1, the initial value of I is equal to 1, then this condition will be checked 1 less than equal to 10, yes or no. Yes, this condition is true. If this condition is true, then the statement inside the for loop will be executed. So inside the for loop it is written sum equal to sum plus I. That means the initial value of sum is 0, so 0 plus 1. Okay, so again I value will be incremented by 1, so I value will be 2. So now 2 will be checked in the test expression. So 2 less than equal to 10, yes or no? Yes. So now the sum value will be 0 plus 1 plus 2. So again 2 will be incremented to 3. So now 3 will be checked in test expression. 3 less than equal to 10, 3 less than equal to 10, yes, 3 less than equal to 10. So sum equal to sum plus I, so equal to 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so now 3 will be incremented by 1, so 3 will be 4. So now the condition will be checked, 4 less than 10, yes, 4 less than 10, less than equal to 10. So the sum will be sum plus I. So which is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. So now I will be incremented by 1. I will be incremented by 1. First, this is initialized, then condition expression. To check the test expression. If the test expression is true, then this statement will be executed. And then after, this will be incremented. Again, test expression. Again, this will be evaluated. Then this will be incremented. Then test expression. This will be continued till the condition satisfies. So here 4 will be incremented and it will be 5. So 5 less than equal to 10. Yes. So sum will be sum plus I. So within the sum, this is already exists 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So plus 5. Okay. So in this way, this will move to 10. So when 10, the value of I is equal to 10. So 10 less than equal to 10. Yes, 10 less than equal to 10. 10 less than or equal to, either less than or equal to. So here 10 is equal to 10. That means the test expression is correct or true. So the sum value will be sum plus I. Finally, this will be sum plus I, sum plus 10. Okay. So the total amount will be total addition will be stored in the variable sum. So after that, the control moves to the I value will be incremented by 1, so it will be 11. So 11 less than equal to 10. No, this is false. When this is false, the control moves out of the loop. So when it will move out of the loop, it will see the printf statement. So within the printf statement, it is written %d, comma sum. The value of sum will be printed. The sum value will be almost, it will be 55. Okay. So output will be 55. So let's see. Let's execute it within my dev C++ editor and see how it is working. Here I have opened my dev C++ editor. From file, I have select new, then source file. Now has include stdio.h, next void main, next int I, comma sum is equal to 0, semicolon, printf within double quotation the sum of first 10 natural numbers is equal to double quotation and semicolon. And for I is equal to 1, semicolon, I less than equal to 10, semicolon, I plus plus. So here sum is equal to sum plus I, semicolon. So now using printf, I am declaring %d, comma sum, then semicolon. Now my program is complete. Let's compile it and execute it. So when I will compile it, it will ask me to save the program. So I am saving in the name of sum. And the save as type is C source files with .c extension. Now my program is saved and the compilation result has come. The errors and warnings are 0. Okay, that means my program is correct. So now execute it. So you can see the sum of first 10 natural numbers is equal to 10. No, this is not. So here I have made a mistake. Sum equal to I. So this will be sum equal to sum plus I. Okay. So now let's see. This my compilation is complete. Errors and warnings are 0. Let's execute. and see. Yes, the sum of first 10 natural numbers is 55. So, okay, so you can calculate for any value by taking any value. If we will change the value of the limit, here I have used I less than equal to 10. If you can use I less than equal to 100, then you can calculate the sum of first or 100 natural numbers. Okay, so if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.